Hey guys, I'm Rii Mison. Just wanted to do a quick video review for the Rii Wireless keyboard. It's wireless, it's not Bluetooth, so it gets a little bit better range. I'll do another video which goes on more in depth on the use of it, but just want to do a quick video to show so you know ahead of time. Here's the keyboard. Here I am sitting in the comfort of my living room. Here's the TV. Apologize, I know the quality of the screen and whatnot on my iPhone isn't the best. But, okay, so I'm sitting here in the comfort of my sofa, and the TV or the computer for reference is all the way up the stairs, around the bend, and here is the computer. It's a tri-level, so it's not that bad on range compared to some other houses where your upstairs is really a full level above. But I also just wanted to show the nice little dongle that it has. The nice little nano wireless dongle. Tiny as hell, very easy to lose. It actually comes with a nice little case, so if you want to keep it with the wireless keyboard, you can actually slide it and dock it right in. So that's what we're working with. Just wanted to give a quick review of, the distance, so you get a good idea. Here's the screen, one of the PC, and one of my SATA enclosure, run 2 terabytes, RAID. And again, back downstairs to give you an idea of range, and the TV. Thanks.